Sometimes I wake up and I feel like that I'm dreaming. A nigga made it out the mud, I can't believe it. I know a couple niggas wanna see me bleeding. Shots fired, man down, I ain't breathing. But I told them pussy niggas catch me when they see me. I got a bad little bitch and she can see it. Sometimes I text her back and she don't even read it. And she said she love me, but you know I don't believe it. You know I don't give a fuck cause I'm a demon.
YouTube, what's up, man? I'm back with another one. So I hope y'all are as excited as I am for this video. So let's just jump right into it. Right now I'm just brushing my client's hair down. This allows me to get the cleanest possible cut I could possibly get for my client. So what you want to do for your first step is go ahead and create your bald line. So the next step is to take your high 1.5 guard and clear all the bolt. The same steps apply for the beard, so whatever I do on the top, I'm gonna go ahead and do on the bottom. So my next step is my lever open. I'm gonna go up about 1/2 inch and go ahead and do some lever work to take out that bottom line. So now I'll be going back to the beard. Like I said, the same steps apply. Now I'll be taking my 1 guard open and I will go up about 1/2 inch. So the next step is your 1/2 guard. This is going to erase that middle line that you had created between your lever open and your 1 guard open. So you want to go ahead and use the corner of your clippers, and lever work is key also. This is one of the most effective methods that I use, and basically it's going to give you the most blurriest results. So now to finish the taper off completely, I go ahead under it with my liners. So the left side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the back and the right side for you guys. Same steps apply. So now that all sides are done, I'm gonna go ahead and line them up. So right here, I'll pick on my client's beard, and this is going to allow him to have that fuller effect after I'm done lining him up. So once all that's done, I'll go ahead and apply some firm dry to his hairline, and this basically allows it to be as crispy as possible. So once I'm done lining my client up, I'm gonna go ahead and start my hot towel treatment now. This is Jimmy's beard oil. It's not as good for your pores, your skin, your hair. Keeps your hair nice and healthy. It allows it to grow. And then once I hit it with that hot towel, it just basically enhances everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit my client with the razor. Yes, sir. That's the reactions we looking for right there. You know what I mean? My man Keanu filling the cut. This is the final product, guys. We're located right by the Florida Mall. And if you like this cut, give it a thumbs up. You know, leave a comment, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? There's gonna be more content coming soon. It's only up from here.